45 increased by what percent of itself gives 135? So the equation will be 45 increase. So we have plus by what percent of itself. So lagyan natin ng variable, let's say n gives 135. So 45 plus n equals 135. Solve for n, so we need to subtract 45 to both sides. So therefore, the value of n is equal to 90. Now, 90 is what percent of 45? So 45 increased by what percent of itself? So 90 is what percent of 45? We just need to divide 90 divided by 45. That is equal to 2. So 2 convert in percent, that is equal to 200%. So therefore, the correct answer is letter C. Follow for more.